Today I'm reviewing these Mrupoo 100-watt solar panels. I've had them out here for a while, and I also have my lithium-ion battery, the portable solar generator, and attached to the solar panels is a solar charge controller. And if you happen to be using a car battery, you get plus and minus grips right there in order to attach to the correct places. So the type of battery I'm using will use this attachment. So you get all of these things in your kit, and I brought out a phone to show you that the phone charges off of this. So let this collect a little bit of sun, and then in order to turn the solar charge controller on right here, you're gonna need to plug this end into your battery. So I'm gonna turn my battery on, and then I'm gonna push this in here, and then the panel goes on. And then you can take like another phone or any sort of device that works with this and plug that in there. And then this will charge over here. So this is a nice system, and you can have it set up to work on a 24-hour cycle. So there was enough light that was picked up and turned into solar energy going into the solar panels, and then it turns that into electrical energy and goes into the battery. So the battery is already fully charged, so it is kind of sitting there dormant right now. But earlier today, it was just sitting here like this and getting fully charged by your solar panels. So if you go camping, what you want to do is take this out, set it up, and then it's going to charge your battery to the fullest. And then at nighttime, when there's no light to power these, you're going to be using the stored energy in the battery. So it's a constant cycle from here to here, and then you can use it. So remember, you can plug in anything that your portable solar generator will take based on its watts into here during the day. And your panels are constantly going to be feeding it energy. So you shouldn't run out of energy during the day. And then at night, when you're not using the charging panels, you're going to be just using your own battery itself as a charger. So it's really nice. It's not a super light system. You will have to, pick it up and take it with you, and it is a little on the heavy side. But if you're going camping, you'll just leave it out like this to collect sun during the day. And it's great. I clipped these plus and minus cables nicely over here, because if they touch, they're going to short circuit the whole system. And there is a prevention in this, so it won't actually do any damage. It turns itself off before it has a chance to do any damage. So this is a great little system. Just wanted to show you how to use it. And there is probably so much more I don't even know. But the instructions that come have a lot of detail in them, and you just kind of have to fine-tooth comb the instructions, but all of the details are actually there, and you can charge different types of batteries up. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the Mrupoo 100-watt solar panel chargers.